In this video, we're going to learn about the Python conditional expression. A conditional expression is also called the ternary operator, which lets you execute an if-else statement in a single line of code. For example, if you had the if-else condition that looks like this before image, you can put the whole thing in a single line of code using the conditional expression or ternary operator. So basically, var is being assigned to expression 1 only if this condition is true. Otherwise, var is assigned to expression 2. So you can see that we can do the entire if-else in a single line of code. And the nice part is that you don't have to worry about indentations or even using colons anymore. And another nice benefit is that you could stick this entire conditional expression inside of a print function, which you can't do if you use the if-else branching style. And we'll check out some examples, but also keep in mind that it's not really good practice to use the conditional expression because many programmers seem to be confused by this and may not understand your code. So it might be better to use regular if-else statements, but nevertheless, let's check out some examples and see how it could be useful. Okay, let's say you went to the bookstore and you bought some books. You bought 5 books. And we print it out. You have books. Okay, let's see, that should print out you have 5 books. What if you had 1 book? It shouldn't say you have 1 books, it should say you have 1 book. So let's make an if-else statement. If books greater than 1, colon, indent the code under the if, and have an else. Well, we'll print out you have 1 book instead if it's not greater than 1. Oops. Always do that. All right. You have 1 book instead of books. So that seems to work. And let's try this out using the conditional operator. So let's try this out using the conditional expression or ternary operator. Print. All right, we're going to do this in a single line of code. Print, let's do the regular string. You have books. And then next is going to be whether it's going to be books or book. Let's put it all in parentheses. Okay. So that we can work all right here. It'll print out books. If then the condition books is greater than 1, followed by else book. All right, it's a little bit weird, but I think this should work. And oops, not your, but you have 1 book. So yeah, it definitely worked. And let's change books to 5, and they should both do the same thing and say you have 5 books, plural. So look at that. We're able to stick this entire expression in a print statement, which you can't stick this thing in a print statement. I mean, let's see what happens if you try to do that. Okay, there's my print statement. Let's shove all this in there. I'm already getting a lot of red errors, but you could see that this is probably not going to work. Yeah, look at these errors. And yep, doesn't work. So right there, the ternary operator or conditional expression saves the day. Let's get rid of this code and run our nice working code again.